So now we want to practice at 15.5. We'll do the second sum. Okay, we'll do the second sum. 15.5 का second sum. Now here also in 15.4 we use the area of triangle ka formula, the two formulas. No? These two formulas for finding the area of a quadrilateral. Remember in 15.4. Now in 15.5 also we will do the same thing. There were two in the second and the 15.4 exercise practice set में 15.4 में in the second and the third sum. Remember the quadrilateral was made of two triangles and we found the area of each triangle and we added the area of two triangles. Yes or no? Now here in the third sum also there were two triangles. Again we added the area of both the triangles. We found the area of both the triangles and we added them. But here instead of two triangles they are giving you three triangles. Can you see? A, B, E. Then you have got B, C, E and E, D, C or E, C, D. You have got three triangles. So what we will do? We will find the area of all the three triangles and then add them. So I'll get the area of the full figure. Okay, the area of the full thing. Area of the full. They are saying find the area of the given plot, and the measurements are in meters. So 24 meters. It's a plot. Plot means like a big ground, playground or whatever, field or whatever. Huh? So I have to find the area of all the three triangles. So let me begin one by one. Let me begin with the easy one first. So which is the easiest one to do is this triangle. Now if you see, look at this triangle E, D, C. Yeah, E, C, D. Now can you see there is a perpendicular line. Can you see this perpendicular line? So this becomes my what? This becomes my height. Yes or no? And where is the perpendicular line going? This side. So this becomes my base. That means this EC becomes, that means that this 28, that is EC is given as what? 28. So the B, this EC, that is 28 becomes my base. So this is my height and this is my base. Can you see? It looks like this, no? Like a triangle, no? This is my height. Yes? So this is my base, this is my height. No? So which formula I'll use here? Half into base into height. Okay? Is it clear? Have you understood this? How it looks? So this is a perpendicular line. So this obviously becomes the height. And wherever the height touches, that side becomes the base. Remember in a triangle, if this is the height, which side? This side becomes the base. This side becomes the base. Clear? If I say this is the height, if this is the height, then this becomes the base. If ulta, if this becomes the height, if this is the height, then this side will become the base. Understood? So wherever the height touches, that becomes the base. So very easy, half base into height. So I will first find the area of triangle. What is that? DEC. Okay, DEC. Half into base. Who's my base? My base is EC, no? Because the height is touching the base. Yes or no? My base is EC. So EC is my base. So half into base EC into height. Height कौन है? Your DF. The particular perpendicular line. That becomes my height. So half into DC. EC कितना दिया है? EC is 28, no? कितना दिया है? 28, no? Can you see I have written the full thing? I put a full thing, no? That means the full EC is 28 into DF कितना है? DF कितना दिया है? 16. DF कितना दिया है? 16. So I can do 2 ones are 2, 8s are. So okay, so I'll get 28 8s are. So 28 8s will be 4 and 6. So 224. 4 6 yeah 224. So 224 square centimeters. So I got the area of this triangle ECD, EDC or DEC, whatever. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the next easy one. Which is the next easy one? You know, this one. But I'm going to do one step in the mind. So you'll have to do it here. I'm going to do. See now, this is a triangle. I'm going to find the area of this triangle. This triangle. This is okay. This triangle. So I'm going to rub this off all first. Okay. So this triangle. Now this is a what triangle? Can you look at this? It's a special triangle. What triangle it is? It's a right angle triangle. Can you see this is a 90-degree symbol here, no? So it's a what triangle? Right angle triangle. What is the formula of finding the area for right angle triangle? Same thing. A right angle triangle also is a triangle. So the area formula is the same. How is that? Half into base into height. So who are the base and the heights I told you? In a right angle triangle, who are the base and the height? And anything except the hypotenuse. So 90 के सामने वाला साइड ये कौन है? ये हाइपोटेन्यूज है. मतलब ये बेस और ये हाइट रहेगा, या फिर ये बेस और ये हाइट, या ये बेस और ये हाइट. अंडरस्टूड? So the two sides which join at the right angle, they are called the base and the height. 90 के सामने वाला साइड क्या रहता है? हाइपोटेन्यूज. Remember I told you 90 के सामने वाला साइड क्या है? हाइपोटेन्यूज. So forget the hypotenuse. This is not. So this is the base and this is the height, or this is the base and this is the height. But the problem is, if I take this as the base and this as the height, I know the hypotenuse, but I don't know the height. See, this is the hypotenuse. No, this 30 is my hypotenuse. बराबर ना? Why? Because 90 के सामने है. But if this is the then the base is given. Let's say this is the base. So how I don't know the height. So how will I get the height? I told you. In a right angle triangle, if you want the height, what you should do? If you want the hypotenuse, what you should do? Let's say if you wanted the hypotenuse, which is hypotenuse is given. I'm just saying. If you want hypotenuse, what should you do? I told you. Add the squares and take the what? Square root. Add the squares and take the square root. But if you want the base of the height, a normal side, any of the two sides, the remaining two sides, then you have to subtract the squares and take the square root. This is clear? If you want the hypotenuse, add the squares and take the square root. If you want to hypotenuse, add the squares and take the square root. But if you want what? If you want a normal side, then subtract the squares and take the square root. So let's subtract the squares. So what is 30 ka square? In your mind you do it. 30 ka square is what? 900. 3 ka square 9 and 1 0 ka square 20. 900. What is 24 ka square? 576. So what is 300? What is 900 minus 576? I have to subtract the squares and take the square root, no? तो 30 का स्क्वायर 900, फिर 24 का स्क्वायर 5 से 900 minus 576 कितना होता है? 324. And then they take the square root. So what is the square root of 324? 18. So my height will be 18. Now I got the base and I got the height. Now I have to find this thing. Clear? So second thing, you have to find the side AE. How did I get side AE? I subtracted the squares and took the square root. No? And I got how much? My height AE कितना मिला मेरे को? 18 centimeters. So next thing I am writing here, you have to find AE. Find AE. And what is my AE? My AE, how much did I get? I got AE as 18 centimeters. I did it mentally, okay? Okay? Third one. Now I can get the area of this triangle because I know the base and I know the height. So I can do this formula, half into base into height. Understood? So I will say area of triangle ABE is half into base. So who's my base? My base is AB. Okay? What is my base? Again I am repeating. Who's my base and height? Hypotenuse को छोड़ के दो side बचता है. That is your base and height. You can take any side as base and height, but don't take the hypotenuse as the base and height. Hypotenuse 90 के सामने वाला उसको छोड़ के इसको base लो, इसको height लो, या इसको base लो, इसको height लो, चलेगा. So AB base into height. What is the height? AE. AE. So I get half into AB कितना दिया है? AB is 24. Yes. Into AE कितना है? 18. So 2 ones are 2 12s are. What is 18 12s are? Your tables are good. Very good. 216 square centimeter. Okay. Then D. Now I found the area of this triangle. I found the area of this triangle. I have to find the area of this triangle. What is the triangle? BCE. BCE. Now this is which formula will use here? Which formula will use? You know the area of all the three sides, no? The 30, 20, 10. So you use which formula? Heron's formula. You use what formula? Heron's formula. Because you know this side is 30, BC is 26, and EC is 28. No? If you know the three sides, you use which formula? Heron's formula. So So first for Heron's formula, what is the first thing you have to do? Semi-perimeter. So I am going to find the semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? Add all the three sides and divide by 2. Add all the three sides, divide by 2. So 30 plus 26 plus 28 and divide by 2. So I'm going to take it little up. 30 plus 28 plus 26 divided by 2. So 30 plus 28, 58 plus 58, 64, 84. So 84 divided by 2 is 42 centimeters. Don't write square centimeter. This is perimeter. Perimeter में square नहीं लिखने का. Area के लिए square लिखने का. Perimeter सादा side के लिए और perimeter के लिए तो just write. Now find the area using Heron's formula. I am going to do it little more quickly. So area of triangle BCE. First write the formula. What is the formula? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. बराबर? S. What is my S? Semi perimeter कितना मिला अपने को? 42. बराबर? Into S minus A. That means subtract the semi perimeter from the first side. Then subtract the second side. Subtract semi perimeter from the third side. Subtract the semi perimeter. Who is the semi perimeter? This 42. बराबर? Subtract from the first side. So 42 minus 30. कितना होता है 42 minus 30? 12. बराबर? Then next one. Subtract the semi perimeter from the second side. So 42 minus who is the second side? 28. Let's say 28. 42 minus 28 कितना होता है? 14. Then subtract semi perimeter from the third side. From the third side. So 7 to 42. 42 minus who is the third side? 26. So 42 minus 26 कितना होता है? 16. बराबर? So let's find out. So 42. What is the factor of 42? 2 3 is 6. 6 7 is 42. Okay. The what are the factors of 12? 2 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12. Then 14. What are the factors of 14? 2 7. Very easy. Barabar? And then what are the factors of 16? All 2's. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. Easy? Now I have to remove the square root. I told you what to do. Out of every 2 ka jodi, you remove 1 out. So how many 2's are there? 2 2's, 1 and 2. So I remove 1 2 out. Then here also 1 and 2 2's. So I remove 1 2 out. Out of these 2 2's, I remove 1 2 out. Then out of these 3 2's, I remove 1 2 out. Yes or no? See the square root sign is not. I am not putting the square root sign, because I am taking the square root. Square root means out of every 2 roots you remove this thing. Then out of 2 3's, 1 3 here and 1 3 here, I remove 1 3 out. No? If there are 2 3's, you only write 1. 2 2's का एक ही लिखने का. Then और कुछ है नहीं. फिर 2 7 है. ये 2 7 का 1 7 बाहर निकलेगा. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. Then 16 into 16. What I do ulta. 7 3's are 21, 21 2's are 42. बराबर? 42 2's are 80. That will be easy. 7 3's are 20. ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Okay, मेरा मैथ्स इतना अच्छा नहीं. Okay, 7 3's are 21, 21 2's are 42, 42 2's are 84, 84 2's are 168, and 168 2's are 336. So my answer will be 336. Easy. Clear? So finally, now I'll just rub this off. So finally, I'll add the areas of all the 3 triangles. No, I have to find the area of the full plot. So I'll say finally the D part. I come to the E part. So I'll say area of the plot. Area of the plot. Area of the plot. Area of the plot is. So you have to add all the 3 triangles: PEC, ABE, and BCE. Area of triangle BEC, ABE, and BCE. BEC कितना है भाई 224 प्लस AB कितना है 216 प्लस BC एरिया ट्रायंगल BC कितना मिला अपने को BC 336 ओके 336 so what we can do is we can be little smart take all the hundreds first 300 plus 200 plus 200 700 और 24 plus 16 और 36 plus 24 plus 16 40 40 plus 36 76 so ये 700 और ये 24 plus 16 40 40 76 so I think 776 is na 300 and 200 is 500 500 and 200 is 700 and 36 plus 16 is 52 52 56 76 so 776 776 square centimeter I hope it is correct 224 216 336 12 16 1 4 2 6 and 7 yeah 776 I was right okay you can copy it down